What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, welcome to the channel. So we finally have some nice weather, some nice riding weather. We have some work to do on the Renegade. I got to replace both rear wheel bearings, so we're going to get on that here in a minute. But we're going back to Soggy Bottoms tomorrow. It's been a really long time since we've been to Soggy Bottoms. Get y'all out of the sunlight real quick. They're doing a muddy Gras tomorrow. I don't know if they've ever done one before. If they have, I haven't been to it, but hopefully we'll be able to hit some of the OG mud holes on the channel, and hopefully, cross my fingers, there's actually water in them. The last few times we went, they were pretty dried up, so I'm hoping after all the snow and rain that we had for a little while that there's actually some mud there. But let's go ahead, get over to the storage unit and start putting these wheel bearings in. Alright guys, we have made it to Soggy Bottoms finally. Last night was a really late night. Those wheel bearings really kicked our butts. One of the bolts and the shocks got stuck in the bushing sleeve, so we fought that for quite some time. But we got it all done. Hopefully everything holds together. Still hoping that there's some mud here. Have no idea. The river looked like it was up, so we should have a pretty good time, at least in the river, get some water wheelies in. But I'm really hoping there's some mud. Can't say that enough, but Kyle is waiting impatiently on us, so I'm gonna go ahead and get geared up and we'll pick y'all up on the GoPro. So apparently Kyle already went back to the mud holes and he said there wasn't really anything, but I'm still gonna go look. I don't know how far in he went. And by the way, I do not think it's a muddy Gras weekend. I think it's a white truck weekend. Mostly Chevys, then Kyle's truck. Mine's way over there. So Kyle was saying there is mud, but it's without water, and that's basically freaking concrete, especially out here with the type of mud they have here. So I'm gonna look at it, decide if I want to hit it or not, because a lot of times, I mean, there's a video a while back, I think it was like Sticky Muddy Mayhem or something. I hit one of those holes like that and I made it like freaking a foot, and I hit it pretty fast. I mean, it's just no point in hitting that stuff sometimes because you're gonna risk breaking something. So like I said, I don't know how far back he came, but hopefully there's something. If not, I know middle of springtime, late spring, after we get a lot of rain, this stuff fills up pretty good. Yeah, usually there's already water right here. That's usually a pretty decent hole, but yeah, that stuff's not even worth hitting to me. And that one, I guess we could hit that one.
Ain't that the one we like?
Yeah.
Concrete?
No, that was over there. That was that one.
Oh.
I could try that one. It's usually pretty deep, so I'll hit it going this way. This hole got dug out by something big. See if the Renegade still got this hole. That was easy. That was way too easy. I was expecting it to sink down. We'll try this side. What the shit? Well, that's loose.
What is it?
That's some thick stuff.
Override? There you go. There you go. Override,
The override's like intermittent.
yeah.
A few moments later. Much later. Much later.
That stuff is thick, boy.
Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick ass boy.
I should have hit it faster on this side.
Get there. You're not supposed to park there. Fuck no.
Come on, mate. You can't park this, huh? Damn, boy, he's thick.
What happened to my tires? Oh,
Yeah, that's a fucking nasty.
my bad.
My bad.
Hey, it's good for the skin. I did it for Dale. That's not gonna be fun to wash. Bro, you know how much this thing probably weighs now? Yeah, there's probably about 500 pounds of it. I got mud wheels. Bro, it looks like mud pancakes.
Something
I got pancake wheels. Yeah, I need to take some weight off of these.
He ran out of fucking... Oh, there's probably 100 pounds of mud.
Oh, easily, if not more.
Yeah,
Look at all this shit, baby. This is all everything.
Oh yeah, the river will get it off.
As long as you get it before it dries, it'll come off.
Yeah.
Hey, breaking in those brand new wheel bearings.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, let me get this to the river. I can't see sh.
I can't see fucking shit out of this thing.
I can barely steer this thing. This is what I'm talking about. Like, that hole had the most water in it, and it's still like concrete. I'm struggling to steer this thing right now. Water is cold. Woo! Yeah, this water is cold as balls right now. Oh my god. Oh, that water's cold. Aw. Well, that was dumb. Those are gone. Those are gone. Oh well.